the Vice President, Professor Yemi Osinbajo, arrived Opurusa and was accorded a warm welcome by a large crowd of youths, women, and community leaders. Professor Osinbajo visited the Palace of Pere of Gbaramato Kingdom, where he held a closed-door meeting with selected stakeholders. At the pavilion, the Vice President thanked the people of Gbaramato Kingdom for their warm reception and appealed to the people to desist pipeline vandalism and bombing of oil and gas installations, adding that President Muhammadu Buhari is ready to put an end to the lingering crisis of Niger Delta area.
We must prepare for the future. Our future is not a future of environmental degradation. It's not a future of poor infrastructure. It's not a future of no roads. It's not a future of harassment and locking up. Our future is a future of progress. It's a future of development.
Some of the stakeholders thanked the Vice President for the visit and appealed to the federal government to stand by its commitment to develop the area. Vice President Osinbajo later visited the permanent site of Maritime University at Okerenkoko and Kroti and was impressed with the facilities at the institution. He, however, promised that work will commence at the institution as soon as the National Assembly passes the 2017 budget. Before departing the area, the Vice President also visited the palace of the Olu of Warri. From Warri, Benga Ahmed reporting.